DoorDash operates on a zone-based delivery system where drivers must select specific geographic areas to work within. Understanding how to change your zone is essential for maximizing your earning potential. As of August 2025, DoorDash divides cities into specific delivery zones. Each zone represents a geographic area where you can accept and complete deliveries. To change your zone, you must be physically present within or very close to the desired zone. The DoorDash app uses GPS to continuously verify your location, so ensure location services are enabled for the app. Recent updates in 2025 have streamlined the zone changing process with enhanced GPS accuracy requirements, faster location detection, improved zone boundary visualization, and better integration with your phone's location services. Your account must be in good standing to change zones. This means maintaining your completion rate and customer rating above DoorDash thresholds. Be aware that some zones may have capacity limits, especially high-demand areas. DoorDash is gradually expanding zone boundaries and testing cross-zone deliveries in some markets. Future developments include AI-powered zone optimization and enhanced driver experience improvements. For iPhone users, changing your DoorDash zone is straightforward. First, open the Dasher app and ensure location services are enabled for the app. Next, tap on the current zone displayed at the top of your screen, then select Change Starting Point from the menu options. Finally, choose your desired zone from the available options and confirm your selection. The app will verify your location to ensure you're within the selected zone. For Android users, the process is similar but with slight interface differences. Launch the Dasher app and verify that location permissions are granted. Tap the zone selector at the top of the screen, browse through available zones, and select your desired zone. The app will then verify your location. If you encounter issues, here are quick solutions. For location not updating, force close and restart the app, check your phone's location settings, or ensure you have a strong GPS signal. If a zone shows as unavailable, it may have reached capacity. Try selecting the zone during off-peak hours, or consider choosing a nearby alternative zone. For Android users experiencing persistent issues, you can also clear the app cache through your device settings, which often resolves location-related problems.